The main objective of this workshop is try to have more collaboration. The first step is between UMONS and UPHF, and now we try to enlarge this collaboration with the universities of EUNICE.
When we were discussing about that, the idea was first to have a meeting with the postdoc or the PhD student that we have in common on different topics. And then came the idea, why not extending to EUNICE? One of the goals of the organizer is try to put a seed somewhere and try to grow in collaboration at a larger scale for all the partners and maybe others.
We try to take advantage of the existence of EUNICE and REUNICE to have many projects, joint projects, many students, joint students. With EUNICE Alliance is a chance because there is EUNICE for students, but also REUNICE, and the R is for research.
So why inviting EUNICE? It was obvious because EUNICE is organizing a lot of meetings, and once we went to Sicily, very beautiful city of Catania, and we say, okay, by listening what the others are doing, we should invite them, and most of the EUNICE partners came actually to give lectures from Sweden, from Poland, and from Italy and Spain.
I think it's very important to cooperate with other people and people from other countries. So I think it's a great idea to build the cooperation, research cooperation between our partners within European University.
I think at least this is the opportunity to discuss with other people and also to show our work and sometimes to have a feeling from people from different labs. Because usually we are working in our lab with our colleagues, but we don't have an external point of view, or this is the opportunity when we have this kind of workshop or conferences to see, okay, what the other people are doing and to give us idea, and not inspiration, but yeah, at least ideas, and after to discuss.
It's a good opportunity to bring together the researchers and the students, PhD students we have now, and there are a lot of activities ongoing in EUNICE.
So I think that today we have some very interesting presentations about biomedical applications and difference in health and different aspects, and I think that I'm not expert in that, but I think that we can gain some knowledge about the synthesis of materials and how to characterize them.
The main objective is to try to have collaboration in material or application, because UMONS have many expertise and the UPHF have complementary expertise. And so we try to work together on some topics.
For the future of this institute or transborder institute, the idea could be to have a European, at the European level, by having different partners coming from EUNICE. Of course, we are discussing a lot about materials because we are working on materials, but it could be on any topics, just to merge the people, let the people discuss, professors, PhD students, postdocs, master students. I think this is very important to have invited speakers, give the chance to young researchers to speak, because we are a family at EUNICE. We are at the first workshop and hope it's not the last one.